Let's see if we can't make this windshield work better. What do you think? Let's give it a go.
Greetings. Today we're going to try to improve the windshield performance of the Ducati Multistrada. What I discovered was you can put spacers under the windshield to raise and change the angle of it so that you get much better airflow. And I'm going to show you what I did with some 3D printing and some M5 thread inserts.
The early Ducati 1200 Multistrada is infamous for having really, really bad wind buffeting. The windshield is not placed properly. A lot of people try to put larger windshields on them, trying to extend it up higher, wider, bigger, fatter. Usually doesn't really help. Even the little add-on accessory flippers on top. Very minimal improvements. But what I discovered was the stock windscreen with spacers under it makes a huge difference. Reduces wind noise, less wind buffeting, and it's easy to do.
So here's a look at the 3D printed spacers that I made. Pretty straightforward stuff here, as you can see. The other thing that you'll notice here is these have little brass inserts embedded in them. Those are heat set thread inserts, and links to that are in the description. Not only the little 5mm inserts, but also the setting tool, which you just screw onto a soldering iron. It's real clever. You just heats the thing up and you press it in. Voila. So once we've got our 3D print done, we're going to heat up a soldering iron, and using the setting tool that we bought from Amazon, we're going to set these 5mm thread inserts into the spacers. Once that's done, then we'll need 3 small studs. I used M5 by 0.8 threaded rod and just cut off the lengths that I needed. I made them, each one is about 10mm long. So that's going to screw into the bottom of this and screw into the original hole on the Ducati. Then on top of the windshield, we just mount it, and we're using the original Ducati screws to mount the windshield to the threaded insert spacer that we made.
One of the advantages to doing it this way is you use the stock hardware here to attach the windscreen. So it's got an OEM look to it. There's very special oversized screws that hold the windscreen on. Be sure to use PETG filament, not the standard PLA. PLA does not handle sunlight very well, and obviously this is going to get some sun being under a windshield. So I hope you found that helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips on modifying your bike and all sorts of fun stuff. Thanks.